Wondering if you'd climb the Apex ranks faster on PC or console? Let's break down which platform gives you the edge. First, visuals. PC often boasts superior graphics and frame rates, leading to smoother gameplay and easier target tracking, assuming you have a decent rig. Consoles, while optimized, typically run at lower settings and frame rates. Next, control schemes. PC's mouse and keyboard setup allows for more precise aiming and faster reaction times. However, console players benefit from aim assist, which can help level the playing field, especially in close quarters combat. Aim assist on console is designed to help controller players keep their reticle on targets. It's noticeable and can be a significant advantage in certain situations. Finally, the player base. PC lobbies tend to be more competitive, with a higher concentration of experienced players. Console matchmaking might be slightly more forgiving for newer or less skilled players. So, is Apex easier on PC or console? While PC offers superior control and visuals, the steeper competition and lack of aim assist can make it challenging. Console's aim assist and potentially less cutthroat lobbies might offer a more accessible experience for some players. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your playstyle and preferences.